All right, so this is the last Saturday I went down to Maryland. I drove about 4 hours one way to go get what I thought was about 20 squares of cedar shingles. And I brought it back Saturday afternoon and loaded it in here where we're storing a lot of other stuff for the project. And it turned out to be about 30 packs of shingles. I paid $250 for all of this material, and it's worth about $2,400. I got it from a contractor who'd just been saving it from jobs the last couple of years, and he stored it indoors, so it's all in really good shape. It's a windfall because otherwise we're spending $2,000, $2,400 on siding for the tiny house, whereas we're only paying $250, but we're driving 8 hours to do it. And for that kind of savings, I'll drive a little bit further for it. And that's been the case for a lot of the things we've bought for the project. So hopefully when we're done, and we don't need all of this material, so when we're done, hopefully we'll be able to sell the remainder and recoup what we paid in the first place and maybe have a cost neutral material for the project, which is super huge. And if you're doing a project, any kind of a home project, and you're willing to drive places or take your time and look for material before you just spend retail money, you're going to save thousands of dollars. This isn't the first load of material I bought that we've saved thousands of dollars on, and we'll do a video here in a little bit at the build site for the rest of the siding, and I'll show you what we're doing. So that's that, and here we are, yay, and that's it. That's all I got. It's chilly out here.